Hey Measuring Hero, Jay here. Today we're going to have a look at some tips and tricks that will make measuring with your O-INSPECT a lot easier. With us is Vanessa. She'll guide us through the whole process. Okay Vanessa, we've heard that sometimes measuring inhomogeneous edges can be difficult. Do we have any strategies to make that a little simpler?
Yeah, sure. Let me show it to you. Here you can see an edge which is very hard to measure because the area around is inhomogeneous. And as you can see, the measuring points are scattered all around the ROI. So, how to measure this? First, do a line with a bigger ROI. And in the second step, do a second line with a small ROI. And after that, you can refer the second line to the first line. And so you can measure this edge very well.
Okay, well that's great. Do we have any tips to help save on measuring time?
If you have Calypso 2019, you could use our new function. Just create as many as circuits or features which fit in the field of view, and then mark all of them and update the camera measurement position. And afterwards, it will be measured all in a row.
All right, well that's great for optics, but are there any time-saving tips for switching between optics and tactile?
You could just save time if you don't store the tactile stylus system into the sensor rack while you're measuring with the camera. You can do that in your inspection plan. Go to stylus system, probe change behavior, and there you can set it to do not store.
Great, Vanessa. Okay, just one more for you. Is there any way that we can optically measure side features?
Yeah, here you can see how to measure on the top of a part and also on the side. Just use a mirror or a prism, as you can see here. And then you can measure the top and also on the side.
All right, Vanessa, thanks for all that. And thank you for joining us. Of course, join us every Thursday right here at the Measuring Hero video blog. We'll see you next Thursday.